Hi, I'm Skyler. Welcome to AgamidCG. Today is day 27 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. We're here at the Vancouver Aquarium so I can grab some reference for the next thing that I should sculpt. It's also a dine-out event, so I get to have a drink while I walk around the aquarium and gather reference. So you might think because I'm at an aquarium, I'm going to be sculpting fish. But you'd be wrong, because what I'm actually sculpting is dragons. With so many options of cool things to sculpt, what should I choose? I thought for sure I was going to end up sculpting a dragon or some sort of reptile, but I was just so mesmerized by this little seahorse. Watching it drift around and use its little prehensile tail was so calming, and I thought this would be a very interesting thing to sculpt. So that's what we're sculpting today. I tried to start with Z-spheres, and within like 2 seconds I realized this wasn't going to work. So I went back with the sphere and with bend curve to make the body. I have always had trouble with this, and I still don't have a good method for it, and that's making swirls. I spent like 30 minutes trying to make the curly tail. I tried different methods like just masking and using the move brush, bend curve, bend arc, the swirly cloth brush. It's pretty annoying, and eventually I settled on masking it out of a cube and extracting and then combining it with the body. It's still not great, but I didn't want to spend the whole time working on that. I moved on to the head and pulled out the snout and jaw. I sculpted the eye area and the little ear hole, and then I added some protrusions from the head. Before I knew it, I had only less than 5 minutes left. I adjusted the body proportion, threw in the dorsal fin, and then time was up. I spent another 5 minutes quickly blocking out the skeleton structure with the little body spikes. I made it closer to the seahorse, but I realized afterwards that I'm missing a section. They seem to have 3 planes on each side, and I only added 2. Anyways, it does read like a seahorse, and other than spending 30 minutes trying to deal with the stupid tail, I think this is something realistic to expect from an hour of work. If you have ideas for what I should sculpt next, or feedback on this one, let me know in the comment. I'll see you on day 28.